Learn.nextwork.org is a learning directory that allows you to go through certain projects that improve your understanding of AI and technical skills. If this is your first time here, my name is Jay, and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. And as you can see, this isn't a tool as such, but I've been getting a lot of inquiries of people who have been asking for learning directories and resources that they can use to improve some technical skills. Now, I got some great feedback after showcasing Claude's official sort of learning directory and resources that people can use to improve how they interact with their model. And yeah, I think it went down well, especially because the job market is quite tough at the moment. A lot of people are looking to upskill. I think this is the only thing that's really going to save people from being obsolete in the future. And I've come across nextwork.org. I think it's a great platform because they do have a lot of interesting projects here. As you can see, they've got some beginner AI projects, which you can go through and actually start learning some things. And I like the way they present it. It's all very clear, but they've got a whole lot of projects, 60 in total, and anyone who goes through all of these is definitely going to put themselves in a much better position. You can of course add your understanding of these concepts and these technical skills into any sort of resume or CV for any jobs you're applying for. And yeah, there's a lot of interesting stuff. Cloud security, for example, cloud engineer, DevOps, DevSecOps, solutions architecture, account management as well. So yeah, it is quite a great resource. They've got some really interesting things on there. Compute, cybersecurity. I personally want to be going through these just to maximize my understanding of all of these sort of tools and these technical skills. Of course, I've already done a few. I think I've already done the getting started with AWS, even build with OpenClaw, right? Some people are charging thousands for this. But yeah, you could of course just take a look into this particular project and see how you can start building with OpenClaw. In any case, I do think this is a great resource. They've also got a language model here on the left, which allows you to actually start querying any specific projects.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
Or just asking general purpose questions. So yeah, definitely check this out if you think it would be useful for you. If you've got some learning resources you'd like me to do a walkthrough of, if you're building an interesting tool, or if you'd like me to demo an interesting tool in the AI space at the moment, feel free to get in touch. I always read all the comments. Thanks for watching and have a great day.